So one of the things that I'm personally curious about is just how much airflow is coming out of that onboard compressor and how it compares to the Viair normal compressor that I just hook up to my battery usually when I'm going to air back up. So I'm going to take the same Ston tire deflator. This is my favorite tire deflator, works great. Comes in a little pack of 4. I'm going to throw it on this tire, and then I'm going to put the same one on the rear tire so that we have the same air pressure on both. And then we're going to see which one's faster to inflate the tire, the new Land Rover onboard compressor or the one that I've been using for years. All right, so you just connect your air line. You set the pressure you want. This is kind of neat because you can set it to inflate or deflate. Rather, if you set this to 10 psi and you hook it up and you press go, it'll take it to 10. If you set it to 45 and you press go, it'll go to 45. All right, so for the contender, we're going to use my Viair 450P, which is what I've been using for the last year or so on the trail. Works really well. This is about as good of a air compressor you can get, I think. And we'll hook that up to the battery, plug it all in. Comes with everything you need. Of course, you've got the compressor, your air gauge, and a cable that's plenty long, probably a little bit longer than the one we see on the Land Rover. So let's see, we're at 3 minutes and 20 seconds. We'll call that time right there, 40. All right, now we're going to try the new Land Rover compressor. It just comes with a normal thread on here. It's not like the gas station gun. Hook this up. And we'll go back into the cab. Set this to 45 psi. And let's see how long it takes. So we're getting an error message, an E4 here. Not sure what's going on, but runs for a couple seconds and then stops.
It seems after letting the compressor deflate a couple tires and having it fail to inflate a few times, we were finally able to get it to completely inflate a tire without stopping a single time. I tested this about 4 times by dropping and raising the tires, and I'm pretty confident at this point that the compressor just needed to be broken in and seems to be working fine.
So it's just about finished now. It took its last reading to make sure that it was accurate, so it's not measuring it while it's running, and then it's finishing up, so they were at 50. So we'll try doing a deflate with the onboard Land Rover compressor. It's at 49 psi now. 18 is what I like to run out in the desert, so I'll set it to that. Press the knob, and it should start deflating and stop automatically at 18.